What's up YouTube? Kanye back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on vertical tabs in Microsoft Edge. But without further ado, get into it. Alright, so here we are on our Windows 11 desktop. All you're going to do is come down to Microsoft Edge, go ahead and open it. Once you're in Microsoft Edge, you're going to go up to the top to where your tab is. Go ahead and right click on it and then turn on vertical tabs. You can also use this little shortcut right here, Control Shift and then the comma sign right there. But for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this. And then as you can see, I now have vertical tabs. So if I wanna open up new tabs, all you gotta do right there, open up a few tabs. Let's say I wanna go to Slick Deals on one, and then maybe GNC on another, and then I don't know, BestBuy.com on another. And then you can go ahead and just close them out however you want. And instead of your tabs being up at the top, they are now on your left hand side of your screen, so they're just a little bit easier to click. But that is how you use vertical tabs in Microsoft Edge. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.